Hi, in this video we'll discuss how to use different template which is already available in the by in the MS Word by the Microsoft itself. So I'm just going to File and I'm just selecting New. Once I select the New, it's using various documents. So most of the people by default we used to use this blank document. It is to open. Okay, in my previous videos I have used this template. Now if you want to use your different predefined template, for example I'm going to take a tour, or if you want to make a CV, right? So just click it here, take any CV. This looks good, and just selected that particular template, and I just clicked download. Now see here, automatically this template came, and this looks beautiful, right? And so you can just change your photo and make the heading and address, and you can customize as your own, and it looks beautiful. With little efforts, by using the template you can produce a beautiful document. You want to change the new document example, just put file and new, and change any other document example this color. Okay, just select it. See, now this is another type. So to create a resume, so you can use this template. Okay, thank you, see you in my next video.